We never can have a traditional morning in this house, can we?
Morning? You mean years?
Decade?
Yeah.
Well, good morning. You ready to go for surgery?
No. Just a quick FYI or update or...
Well, I think we can start with you made it 5 years past your brain cancer, which is
so far,
uncharted territory now.
Yeah. Unfortunately, the steroids that got me through it, they broke down some of my bones. So now my hip is first. So my left hip is broken down.
So you went to the avascular necrosis clinic at Yale. You checked out Cedars-Sinai.
Yep.
And this morning you're going for a new hip replacement right here in Phoenix.
Yeah, there's a specialist who does something unique. And so we decided, let's just get it done. It's 15 minutes from home.
Yep.
Give or take. Obviously nervous. They say it's a very small surgery overall. I don't know.
Yeah. Well, I think the biggest thing is they're saying the pain you've been in is probably more than you will be in this afternoon and evening after you have all of that, like, bad joint removed.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm scared. I don't know anybody who's never gone through a surgery and was like, yes, I can't wait to go through a surgery. But
True.
I hear it'll be better when it's done.
Ideally, we'll be home, this afternoon or evening.
Yeah.
And you'll start your rehab here at home. For now, it's time to go get you a new hip.
No, I don't want it. I don't want it.
Yes, you do.
Okay. I'm very excited.
You ready? Oh, don't put that face on.
Not the best outfit I've ever worn.
And you got your little gurgling machine icing you.
It's freezing.
Well, hopefully they take you back soon.
Yeah. First time eating in how many hours?
Oh, you haven't eaten since last night. So, up on the recovery floor, first thing he asks for is food.
Whoa.
Ed would like to provide a review of his graham crackers.
The driest I've had in my life. 1 star.
And I made fun of him. I'm like, they're just graham crackers. He made me take a bite. Those are the graham crackers extra dry line.
Do not suggest.
Let's order you some food. Food's here.
Look at the parsley.
Is that some beautiful plating for you?
Mwah. Chef's kiss.
2 and 3.
All right.
Excellent. Great job, man.
Okay.
Okay, before we get away from the bed, I do want to kind of get a sense of how strong and stable these things are. So what you're going to do first is I want you to lean to your right, pick up your left leg. Well done. Okay, lean to your left, pick up your right leg. Solid. How'd that feel? Standing okay on the left side?
This is still just numbness-ish.
Do you feel your feet on the floor? Do you feel the pressure on the bottom of your feet?
Yes.
Okay, good. Well done. Okay.
Whatever.
Whatever your brain says is
Whatever
the
it
best attack
does.
plan.
Okay.
Yep.
Okay.
Okay. All right. Bathroom's right in front of you. Let's head there first.
Okay. Well, I guess I'm spending the night.
Ed's back in bed. He doesn't do well with anesthesia, apparently, and almost passed out after moving really, really well.
Yeah, I was being a big boy.
So the hip seems to be good. I haven't seen you move like that in about a month.
Oh.
Or more.
Or more.
Or more. But, yeah, then anesthesia. So since he had a later surgery today, they're going to have him sleep here tonight.
Wonderful.
At least you get a nice view while you're here. That's a pretty good view. Is that a consolation prize at least to having to spend the night?
No, because I can't see it.
Now Ed's getting mad because everyone else is showing off up and down the hallway walking around.
No.
Hey, you moved great though.
Yeah.
Until you then didn't. Time for a 5-star dinner.
Yeah, great.
Chipotle.
I can't be, I couldn't be
Yeah, we already talked about that when you were still druggy.
Beats
So you're
me.
spending the night, which
No,
means
no.
I get to share the bed with the 2 dogs who will still find a way to leave me no room in the bed. Ooh, what a day. All right. So while Ed's relaxing in the hospital, Cal, Splinter, and I are ready to party.
Good morning. Ended up doing a second night at the hospital.
No. One night.
One night.
Second
It
day.
wasn't a one day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So,
Just waiting for PT to clear you to go home.
I hope so. Hi. Hey, Splinter. I missed you.
Oh, Cal doesn't want to say hi. He's running away with his blankie. He doesn't like the walker very much.
Me neither.
Splinter's like, whatever. So, how you feeling?
Better than last night, but it's going to be a long recovery. But his instructions on the paper are I have to be a couch potato.
It literally says couch potato for week 1. So you're on the couch, you're a potato. Let's get your ice machine hooked up. How's the spa?
Freezing. Very strange.
Wait, the ice water is cold?
I just learned it too.
But look at this, you got couch side delivery of snacks and, oh, here's your attendant.
Wonderful.
So enjoy your spa time.
Yeah. Oh boy. All right. I'm definitely beat and tired. Almost like I went through a surgery or something. We really had a good experience, which I think made a big difference for both of us. But, you know, I'm a little bit uncomfortable, but not too bad. But now the main thing, I'm sleepy. I'm a sleepy little baby. Oh, just blame that on the meds.